Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will now learn about the platform overview or the SaralFlow platform and the different options available on the platform page. So let's get started by first logging into the platform. For login, we have to use our email ID which we use for the registration. Enter the appropriate password, and then once we click on sign in, the platform page comes up. The very first page shows all the apps which you have been subscribed to. Here we can see Timesheet and LeaveHub, the two apps which you have subscribed to. Under the marketplace, we can see all the new upcoming apps and the existing apps and their status. So the two existing apps have been subscribed. Under the organization, we can see the organization name through which we are using the platform. On clicking the edit button, we can edit the organization details like the department, the organization name, the different designations and the location available in the platform. This option of editing the organization or even editing the users, which we can see right now, is only available to the owners of the platform and not to the team members. This is all the different information which we can go and edit for the different team members. We can even go and update our own personal details by clicking on the update profile. Update profile page is information is accessible to both the team members and the owners. Team members can only update the account details and the personal details, but not the employment and the visa info. One can also change the password from the platform by entering the current password and the new password. And once we do the change password, then we'll again be navigated to the login page, and now we have to go and access the platform with the new page. The logout option is also available in the platform by clicking on the menu in the right side. I hope we cleared all your doubts about the platform. See you in the next video. Thank you.